morning from here in Stepford Central. My name is Jack and I'm from Roblox. So, here's the time that is terminating, and it's coming up to the Leighton City to Stepford Victoria line.
Platform 4 terminates here.
The Platform 4 train is arriving, and there's batting nails there, and we are waiting for the service to Leighton City will be soon. I'm going to wait for that one. If it's the right one,
the train now approaching
then
platform 8
we are
terminates here.
Finished. So, by starting from Leighton City to Angel Pass. See that train terminating? Right. It terminated. So, let's go back to the original. Now, you know wonder why that was the
train
great
now
step.
standing at
I think that will be
4
us.
is the 12.
That will be the
1509.
1509.
Service to Port Benton.
Yep.
Calling at
Yep. That's us.
East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden.
We're going from
Coxley,
Stepford
Benton,
Central to
and Port Benton. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now
We're
standing
going to
at
get on.
Platform 8 is the
We'll sit next to Bacon.
7 Stepford Connect. Service to Morganstown. Calling
Here we
at
go.
Stepford East. St
We're going to
Helens
zoom
Bridge,
out so
Elsmere
we can
Junction,
watch.
Berrily, East Berrily, Bewley Park, and Morganstown. Due to a short platform, passengers for East Berrily should travel in the front 4 coaches. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
I'm going to turn it up. Let's go. We're going. So by taking the train from, we have a stop signal
Welcome
sign.
on board this Stepford Connect service
We
to
have
Port
the,
Benton.
The SNCC
We will
sign.
be calling at
We have
Stepford
the
East,
Stepford Connect
St Helens
announcement.
Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton.
It has the and.
The next station is Stepford East.
Alright, here we go. Again. Our signal service to Port Benton is by from Stepford Central to Angel Pass. As you can see there. There's batting nail there. He's sitting next to me. Look at that. Look, there's 2 people in there. Well, at the reach of the end of the video. So, when we end the video at Angel Pass,
We will
see
shortly be
everything.
arriving at Stepford
We're
East.
arriving at Stepford East.
Change here for services to Berrily. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
And Port Benton. This
Stepford
train is
East.
formed of 4
Our first
coaches.
station for the year.
This is Stepford East. This train is for Port Benton. The next station is St Helens Bridge.
Yeah. The train is for Port Benton. The next station will be St Helens Bridge. From starting by Stepford Central and Stepford East, a railway line called the Stepford Connect Stepford Express, waterline or airlink,
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect
get the lines
service to
all
Port
caught
Benton.
up.
The next station is St Helens Bridge.
You see airlink there. And the train is the same, well, just like the actual Stepford Connect, Express, waterline or airlink or airline would get all of these trains on strikes. Another train there. That one's called the Class 717. So we're in our train, going to
We will shortly be arriving at St
we're arriving
Helens
at
Bridge.
St Helens Bridge.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
I'm going to wait. I'll drop the camera because alright, we're back. There's two people in there. Look at that. Look right here, guys. I'm going to post that to Amber the Moving Fan 95. Because that's my favourite channel. It just sounds like the Class 710 and Class 170. St Helens Bridge, the second station.
This is St Helens Bridge. This train is for Port Benton. The next station is Angel Pass.
St Helens Bridge is the there's a Benton to Green Slade sign, as you can see. Batting Nails is just walking down outside.
Platform 5 for the 12.
Goodbye.
12. Stepford
Goodbye.
Connect. Service to Stepford Victoria.
Goodbye.
Stepford East. Stepford Central. City Hospital. Financial Quarter. And Stepford Victoria.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Port Benton. The next station is Angel Pass.
So we're going to arrive in Angel Pass very soon. Which is Melton. You don't know why Angel Pass looks like Melton. It's because it is the wonderful station I've
We
ever
will
seen.
shortly be arriving at Angel Pass.
We're arriving at Angel
Please
Pass
mind the
now.
gap between the train and the platform.
That's our third and final station of the year. I'm about to get off now. Well, thanks for watching this video. Complete and like, comment and subscribe if you love Stepford Connect. Well, I would see you in another video. Bye for now.